Hello and good morning. It's the 4-minute morning for today, Wednesday, the 11th day of April, crypto day as well. Every day is such. Like always, everything within your own risk, own reward. And those who took the risk yesterday on the 4 coins mentioned in yesterday's broadcast, hey, you're doing pretty good right now. As I mentioned 4 coins, I thought that wanted to get up pretty high, and they're off to a good start. Okay, Bitcoin prices, and we're in at around 68.55 on the daily time frame. Price action is remaining within this 18 average of lows. This is now the 4th day in which it is correcting within the 18 average. We are still noticeably lower from the last high, with all the ones before being lower as well. It came from a low that was technically higher, but practically a matching level, and that means that symmetrical triangle type shapes are going to present itself. And I want to take a look at this on a short-term time frame now. And I'm not going to draw any downtrend lines within this 400-minute time frame. And the only real uptrend right now is this one in place, which has seen the price action after making this low higher than this one. Just spent some time with microscopic small volatility right now in the 18 average band. Let's transition on to the 60-minute time frame. And on such, we had the big decline which occurred on the morning of April the 9th, seeing the price go from 71 into the 6,000s area, and it had this little area which it was correcting within originally, and there's a decent sized green candle. How is it going to settle in from the gain? Well, there was one small price correction in here coming to the newly rising 18, and since then it is staying within the band, not leaving it over several periods now. Therefore, when we take a look at this, we can see more towards the uptrend line, which is something in this general area. But where this red line is being placed, which is that of current price action, it has had a lot of resistance and is successfully maintaining an uptrend line, as shown so far within the 18 average, just continuously making the higher lows. There has been a decent amount of time just over the last several periods, so it almost seems as if it's in one of those situations where it's either got to make its next significant move. Breaking out above this resistance field, well, as I stated in yesterday's broadcast, or one of the recent ones, is getting above here. You got all of this empty space to fill. Well, it's filled this. So breaking above, then that would be what it'd be looking to do. Breaking down below it, we're going to have short-term Fibonacci from this low to whatever this high happens to be, which is down in here, which means it's going to be very important just around 67.60-ish to hold on any retracements that happen, and that's again a short-term move. And finally, looking at this on the long-term time frame, as it's just holding up near the 23.6% down Fibonacci from the 2015 lows at about 150 and the $20,000 highs, and it's again at the lower point of it. It's got to get above this 12,300, really have a nice clear move above 13,000 for this thing to really get going. And if this thing doesn't hold, I'll be looking for next support to come in at around 3,000. That would be a 38.2% exponential downside move. Thank you for tuning in. I'll be putting out a gold video as my next one later this morning. Take care. Bye-bye.